Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're talking about cleaning custom sheepskin seat covers. A super common question that I get is, how do you clean this sheepskin? And that's a good question because it's different cleaning than a lot of the other seat covers that we offer. Since sheepskin is an actual animal fur, what you need to do is actually brush it out. So this is a pet brush that we have from a local pet store. And what you can do is brush this out, take it down, and just, you're gonna need to brush it up so it doesn't get matted. Just like if you never brushed a dog that needed to be brushed, then it would get all matted down. And so what you're gonna wanna do is on a regular basis, brush these seat covers out. I would say, every time you're cleaning the car out, and for some of you, that's not very often, so you probably should be doing it a little bit more frequently. I'd say at least on a weekly or at least monthly basis, taking a brush and just keep it in your vehicle, keep it in one of your back seats, back seat pockets or something like that. Brush it out real good, and then once you've brushed it out, that's gonna pick up a lot of dust and debris. And then what you're gonna do is take the vacuum that up. If you're at a car wash, use their vacuum or grab one of your vacuums and vacuum that dust up, get that dirt out of there. And then that's really the best way to keep the sheepskin looking nice and also feeling nice, because it's gonna be a lot more plush feeling when you've brushed those fibers out. So that's the way to really maintain your sheepskin, by brushing it frequently and then vacuuming it. You can see more, or feel free to contact us at coversandcamo.com. Thanks.